With my music, I'm trying to tell these interesting narratives that I create in my mind. I'm trying to create a world where you can kind of walk in and move around it. It's a story, but it's also weirdly tangible. That's what inspires me, you know? Over my career as Com Truise, I have had many, many requests. How do you do this? How do you do that? Early on, I kind of kept it as closely guarded secrets. I didn't really want to divulge how I did things, but I think it's finally time where I'm ready to pass the torch, so to speak, on to anyone who's willing to learn. Here I sit in front of two synthesis behemoths. To be able to show you my stuff with one in the flesh is a treat for both of us. For me, the pitch wobble in a lot of music and my own just directly connects me to like the nostalgic highway. There's not much that gets away without getting wobbled. I think the main thing that separates me from some of my peers is that I didn't necessarily want to sound like I was writing 80s music. I wanted to take the technology used in that decade and try to make something new with it. Use familiar sounds, but make them just different enough to sound new. I really look for obscure drum machines and try to find those sounds, and it takes a little bit of time and research, but I enjoy the process. You know, I'll kind of just experiment, but I know for certain that I want this specific note here to be much longer. You can hear it already there. It opens up. This coupled with the next plugin is like my secret weapon. They go on all the drums without fail. And when you find an instrument that inspires you that much and that you're just overwhelmed with excitement about, immerse yourself in it and see where you can take it and push it as far as you can. Touch a reverb and some delay. That's a song in a box right here. As artists, we struggle with many things. Overcomplication, not feeling that something is adequate, finishing things. As structured as I try to make my music seem, it's kind of the beauty and the chaos of it that it keeps me inspired. This course is for anyone looking for a little unorthodox inspiration as far as production techniques and timing and structure. I'm going to open up a few of my productions, and I'm going to start one fresh so you can see how I make mid-fi synthwave slow motion funk. Subscribe to Soundfly to get started.